I think one of the biggest misconceptions of Caravan trailers in the trailer industry, and maybe locally too, is that Caravan is just this small Midwestern-based trailer company. Caravan sells trailers throughout the United States and Canada, and in fact sells them worldwide.
Bueno, mi posición en la compañía es ser supervisor de línea. Una de mis responsabilidades es el mantener la línea trabajando, que estén cumpliendo con las metas diarias que tenemos ya implementadas y que estemos trabajando pues, al 100% con calidad, con seguridad.
Caravan starts with the idea, what problem are we trying to solve? Engineers the product through CAD software, and then goes to the shop floor to be built.
My primary role is coming up with new ideas. I come up with the concepts, I come up with different ideas on how to do something different, and we kind of go through it and figure out if it's manufacturable.
We have to keep track of all the chemicals, ordering, employees, making sure your product is coming out of the paint line accurately. We do mill checks, paint checks, all the checks that we need to make sure that we're producing a proper part that comes out of the paint line.
A typical day for me is coming in, making sure that they're ready to run, and then start writing a program to get it successful.
I came up through the ranks at Caravan. I started here as a drafter, slowly migrated and climbed the chain, worked through the engineering department, became the engineering manager, started dealing with customer service, quality, various other operations throughout the facility, and most recently stepped into the sales role.
I moved my family 1,052 miles from Dallas, Texas, because this is a great place to be. There's a great group of people who work here. There's a great product. It's a great facility, and we're looking to expand and looking for good, talented people to help us get there.
I started here in high school, working my way through an apprenticeship program through Beaver Dam High School, and then through Caravan was able to advance into Moraine Park and get my degree in mechanical design engineering, and then kind of work my way into becoming a project engineer, into a manufacturing engineer, and then finally to an engineering manager here at Caravan.
Muy gratificante en lo personal para mí, porque sin conocer el idioma, sin saber ciertas cosas, Karavan me dio esta gran oportunidad y vieron en mí un potencial.
It's a very forgiving career, you know, I mean, there's a lot of room in this field, manufacturing, for growth. It's huge.
I would encourage every high school student to find something you enjoy doing, whether it's welding, painting, sitting in an office working as an accountant. Find something you love to do, whether it's working with your hands or working behind a desk, and just find something you enjoy doing, and you'll never have to work very hard because you'll enjoy it.
Every day is a little bit different. You know, you're not stagnant sitting in the office every day. You do participate in all the different aspects of a manufacturing facility.
Learn all you can from, if you're going to be a welder, learn all you can, because it's advancing all the time.
There's a perception about hard work that maybe people shy away from when it comes to manufacturing. And the Manufacturing Business Alliance is spreading that message to kids in tech schools and kids in high school, and that, you know, it's okay to be in manufacturing. You know, this is really what keeps the world ticking.
And some people find a career, whether it be welding or painting, assembling, or a laser operator, a brake press operator, so many different opportunities that probably never knew they'd even want until they get into it and learn it. It's getting in there, getting your foot into the door at a manufacturing company, and there's always room to grow, especially here.
Todos los días siempre hay algo positivo que te impulsa y te motiva para seguir, para sentirte valorado, para sentirte especial.
To me, it's the people, it's the ownership, it's the culture on the shop floor, it's the ability to come in as a drafter and grow into a role that's larger than that. It's the ability to come in here as a Spanish-speaking employee who's now learning English and leading a full team of people. You know, it's an area where you can grow.
Caravan has built historically a really good workforce and a really good product, but we're working toward building a world-class organization. And the only way we can build a world-class organization is to have world-class people.